Slow cooker mac and cheese. Start by heating the oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the bacon and cook stirring for 4 minutes or until golden. Transfer to the bowl of a slow cooker. Add the pasta, cheddar, cream cheese, milk and stock. Stir to combine. Cover with a lid and cook for 1.5 hours on low, stirring halfway through cooking. Meanwhile, place the peas in a heat-proof bowl. Pour over enough boiling water to cover and set aside for 1 minute or until heated through. Then drain well. Next, add the peas and broccoli to the slow cooker and stir to combine. Cook and cover, stirring a couple of times during cooking for 30 to 40 minutes or until the vegetables and pasta are tender. Stir in the chives. While the pasta mixture is cooking, make the crispy breadcrumbs by melting the butter in a frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the breadcrumbs and stir for 3 minutes or until just golden. Sprinkle over the parmesan and cook, tossing for 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. Then transfer to a plate to cool. Divide the pasta mixture among serving bowls and sprinkle with breadcrumbs to serve. With crispy bacon and parmesan breadcrumbs, this slow cooker mac and cheese is the ultimate bowl of comfort food.